Hello guys, welcome to hiking wagon video. Today I'm with Jerry and Mom again. Mom, she's reacting so late, so slow reaction. Today we are in Šútovo. It's nearby, village nearby Martin. We are trying to get out every weekend somewhere outside, because we all doing the work or going to the work and back home and nothing during the week. And when we have free time during the weekends, we are trying to get out and see something new, or see around, check around what's new, and also show to you what you can see here when you come and when you travel around. Jerry, touch the ass. Tree with the ass. Show us where the tree have ass. Jerry's so shy, but I'm not. Tak nastav, prdel nastav, jo? Gdzie idzie? Kam idziesz? I hope you also enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and share with your friends. See you in my next video. Bye bye. This area is named National Park Mala Fatra, and it's a very beautiful place for small, easy hiking.